the numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, as widely expected, the US Federal Reserve announced a 25 bps interest rate cut to its benchmark rate. The summary of economic projections, September, still shows two more interest rate cuts for 2025, meeting the market's expectations. Held its rates unchanged and maintained the projection of 2 interest rate cuts this year. The verdict: Wall Street whipsaws after the Federal Reserve penned 2 additional cuts for the rest of the year. Long story short, the running of bulls at Dalal Street shall continue, with Nifty aiming for the 25,670 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1125 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 20 to 94 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive bullish consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.25 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, was trading firm near the 88.13 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.15 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.10. Nifty outlook: Nifty bulls are likely to regroup at any corrective declines. The risk-on theme is likely to prevail. Nifty, CMP to 5330. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,201 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,200 and 5500. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 82694. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 82,227 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,882 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,200 and 83200. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 55493. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,100 and 56100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Optimism at Dalal Street is also growing over India's trade talks. We suspect the running of bulls is likely to continue, with aggressive intermonth targets at Nifty to 5670 mark, high as on 30th June. Stocks in spotlight. 1. The Nifty PSU Bank Index was a star outperformer in Wednesday's trade, gaining around 2.81%. 2. State Bank of India rallied 3.08% after the bank said it has completed the divestment of a 13.18% stake in Yes Bank to Japan's Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation, SMBC, for a consideration of about 8,889 crore rupees. 2. Multi-Commodity Exchange of India, MCX, jumped 3.57% after reports said SEBI Chairman Tuhin Kanta Pandey outlined new reform measures for the commodity derivatives market. Speaking at an event hosted by MCX, Pandey reportedly said strengthening the commodity market is a key priority. He added that SEBI is in talks with the government to permit banks, insurers and pension funds to trade in commodities, a move that could expand institutional participation and improve liquidity. 3. Premier Explosives jumped 11.86% after the Telangana Pollution Control Board, TGPCB, revoked the closure order on its factory located at Kattepalli village in Yadadri Bhuvangiri district. 4. Mahindra Lifespace Developers surged 3.65% after it has been selected as the development partner for 2 society redevelopment projects in Chembur, Mumbai, with a combined gross development value, GDV, of approximately 1,700 crore rupees. RMC Switchgears rallied 3.83% after the company announced that it has received a letter of intent, LOI, worth 59.12 crore rupees from Jaipur Vidyut Vitran Nigam, JVVNL.